Hi, it is Christina from JustMissC. You can find my Poshmark closet is JustMissC 87. I am a fashion, cruelty-free beauty, and subscription unboxing channel. I have a variety of interests, as I'm sure you can probably tell. And today's video is going to be a mystery reseller box that I recently received. I got it from one of my favorite Poshmark sellers and YouTubers. Her name is Ashley Day from Everydeystyle. So, of course, I am super excited to get her mystery box and to share what I received with you guys. So, I've already looked up the comps and stuff, so I'm just going to go through this stuff as quickly as possible. And I will link her YouTube and Poshmark closet in the description below. So first I got these soft surrounding jeans. I know that Soft Surrounding is a really good brand. I actually don't know what size they are because they did come without a size tag. I could not find one. So I was debating about whether I was going to list these or not. I might list them because the comps looked pretty good on them. They were about $40 they were selling for about. So I thought, well, that's, pretty good for the comps. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna just measure them and just say see measurements, and of course in the description put that there is no size tag, and show a picture of that as well. So yeah, if I do list these, I'm thinking I will probably start them between 20 and 25, and if I get between 12 and 15, I will be happy, since I know they are missing the tag and there is some wear on the label. Then there was these Adriano Goldschmied AG pants. They are a size 24R. I'm not sure what the R stands for, so if you know, let me know in the comments below. I believe that is a size 0. I'm not 100% positive, but yeah, and the comps on these were really good. Retail value is $198, and they sell anywhere from $25 to $65. So I was thinking that I would list them at around probably between 50 and 60 and just see what offers I get on them. And they look like they're in good condition. I don't see any wear on the tag or the back. And they are the Harper Essential Straight. Then I got this Highline size large top, which I didn't realize until I looked it up that it actually is a Madewell top. It is the Madewell Highline Drape tee. And the comps on this were pretty good. They sell for about, I believe it was $20 to $25. and it is 100% silk, so I'm gonna start this probably at between 25 and 30 and then see what offers I get on it. So hopefully I get between 20 and 24. That's what I'm hoping for with this shirt. Then I did get something from Anthropologie, which I actually didn't realize it was Anthropologie when I first got it, because I'm not super familiar with all of the brands yet. I've only been reselling since the end of January, so my closet is fairly new. But this is a Tabitha. It is an Anthropologie dress. It is a size 4. And it is the Anthropologie Tabitha Alita dress. Yeah. And the original retail value, from what I could find, is $148. And it sells anywhere from between 50 to 75 on the higher end, and like 30-ish on the lower end. So I'm probably gonna start this on the higher end, probably around 75, and again, just see what offers I get on it. Then I got this Topshop, which when I first saw it, I actually thought it was a dress, but it's a romper. I don't know if you can tell, but it is a romper. And it is new with tags. So it's got the Topshop tag on it. And it did originally retail for $50. And this one is a size medium, or US 8 to 10. And this one is a floral cold shoulder romper. I love this color too. I think this is a really nice color for spring and summer. And I think I'm going to list it at around 25 and see what happens, what offers I get for it. And it does have, it's got an open back too. And then I have a Halogen size large cold shoulder tie sleeve top, which I looked at the comps on this. I actually thought that this was going to be one of the more expensive items in the box, but it actually ended up being one of the least expensive items, going anywhere from $10 to $16. So I decided, you know what, it's a large, it's my size, it's a cold shoulder, it's got the tie front. I'm keeping it for myself, so as of right now, it is going in my personal closet. Not to say it will never get listed, but for right now, with the comps on it, I figure I'm just gonna keep it because I like it. But overall, I actually am really pleased with this box. I am really happy that I got something from Topshop and I got something from Anthropologie. And I think just the selling the Adriano Goldschmied, the AG jeans, I think will get me my money back for the box, and the Topshop romper, and the Anthropology dress. Those are definitely the standout pieces to me, and I think even with those 3 pieces I will get my money back for the box as well as make a profit. And I did pay $35, round up $35, because I got $30 was a discount or offer to Lakers, and then I paid the discounted $4.99 shipping. So it basically ended up being about $35, and I received 6 pieces. So that basically ended up coming up to being about $5.83 or $6 per item. So I think that's really great comps. I'm really happy with that, and I can't wait to get this stuff listed. Again, I will list Everydeystyle, Ashley Day, her YouTube channel, and her Poshmark closet down below if you want to go check that out. And my Poshmark closet will be listed down below as well. And if you see anything you like that I am going to be listing, please let me know in the comments, and I will be happy to tag you once I get the item listed. I hope you have an awesome day. Thank you for watching.